Speeding is one of the most common traffic violations and is subject to strict enforcement and penalties in most jurisdictions. The punishments for speeding vary depending on the severity of the offense, the driver's past record, and the laws of the specific jurisdiction. Below, we provide a comprehensive guide to the typical punishments and legal consequences for speeding. Types of speeding offenses. Speeding offenses can generally be categorized into different types, including basic speeding violation, exceeding the posted speed limit, excessive or aggravated speeding, driving significantly over the speed limit, reckless driving, speeding combined with other dangerous driving behaviors, speeding in special zones such as school zones, construction zones, or residential areas. Typical punishments for speeding. The specific punishments for speeding can include fines, points on the driver's license, increased insurance premiums, and in severe cases, license suspension, community service, or even imprisonment. 1. Fines overview range. Fines for speeding can vary widely based on the jurisdiction and the severity of the offense. They generally range from $50 to $500 or more. Factors affecting fines: speed over limit, the amount by which the driver exceeded the speed limit. Location: speeding in zones with lower speed limits, e.g., school zones, can result in higher fines. Examples: minor speeding, fines for minor speeding violations, e.g., 1 to 10 mph over the limit, might be relatively low, typically ranging from $50 to $200. Moderate to severe speeding. For more significant violations, e.g., 1130 mph over the limit, fines often range from $200 to $500 or more. 2. Points on driver's license. Overview point system. Many jurisdictions use a point system where certain traffic violations result in points being added to the driver's record. Accumulation of points. Accumulating too many points within a specific period can lead to additional penalties, such as increased insurance rates, mandatory driving courses, or license suspension. Examples: minor speeding, 1 to 2 points for minor speeding violations; excessive speeding, 3 to 5 points for more severe speeding offenses, or speeding in special zones. 3. Increased insurance premiums overview. Impact on insurance. Speeding violations can lead to increased auto insurance premiums as insurers view speeding as a risk factor for future accidents. Examples: premium increases. An individual with a speeding violation might see their insurance premiums increase by 10 to 30% or more, depending on the severity of the offense and their overall driving record. 4. License suspension or revocation overview. Severe penalties. For repeat offenders or serious speeding violations, authorities might suspend or revoke the driver's license. Duration. Suspension periods can range from a few days to several months or longer, depending on the jurisdiction and the nature of the offense. Examples: chronic offenders. A driver with multiple speeding violations within a short period, e.g., within a year, might face a suspension of up to several months. Excessive speeding. Extremely excessive speeding, e.g., 40+ mph over the limit, might result in an immediate suspension or revocation of the license. 5. Community service overview. Alternative penalty. In some cases, judges may impose community service as an alternative or additional penalty to fines and points. Examples: court-ordered service. Drivers might be required to complete a specific number of community service hours, often related to road safety or community improvement projects. 6. Imprisonment overview. Severe cases. Imprisonment is typically reserved for the most severe speeding offenses, particularly those involving reckless driving or endangerment of public safety. Examples: reckless driving. Speeding that constitutes reckless driving might result in short-term imprisonment, typically ranging from a few days to several months. Felony speeding. In extreme cases, such as causing a fatal accident while speeding, drivers could face felony charges and long-term imprisonment.